Hello. Now today we will be making N8N, a workflow project in which we will be making an AI agent. So for making of that, first you need to create an account on N8N, and after that you just have to start with this. It will be shown over here. So first, what is an AI agent? AI agent is someone like ChatGPT which works for some specific task. Okay. So what will be the specific task? The task will be first triggered. Okay, so where will we go to trigger? The trigger will be from over here. Just click this plus button, and after that we will go to add another type of trigger. This is one type of trigger. Other type of triggers are, we will see here. Trigger manually, which is already here. On schedule trigger, on webhook call. Leave this, and we can just delete it from this, and then we will again start and find the type of trigger we are searching for. So by going like this, you can find your trigger. What kind of trigger we are trying to search is, we are going to take a trigger from on chat message. So this is like when we receive a message, then the agent should start working. Okay, got it? So we can delete this one, and this is our trigger for the agent. Like how will like in Google, okay Google we ask na, okay Google is the trigger. So in this, the chat message will be the trigger. Now we will add the agent. Where is the agent? We'll find the agent from advanced AI. Here it is, AI agent. We just click it, and agent tool agents. Okay, we just need to click on the upper side, and the agent will be added. Now agent will be getting information from somewhere na, so we can connect it to the chat model, or like OpenAI, Gemini, and other things. So we have OpenAI. I have OpenAI paid account, so I can directly take it. We have a lot of chat models, but the most famous is the OpenAI. So we will go over there. OpenAI chat model. Okay. I have already connected my credentials. If you have not connected, you can just directly go to like connect my credentials. You have to get the API key and paste it, and then you can connect it. Okay, like here you go to create new credential, you add your API key, and then it will be connected. So it's connected. Now it is showing some error. So let's see what's the error is for. We'll delete it and add again. So here it is, OpenAI chat model. So it is selected. So we'll directly connect it. Again, it is showing some error. What is the error? Credentials for OpenAI are not set. Why it is not set? It is set na. Credentials for OpenAI is not set. Okay. We will go for GPT-4o. Okay. Now it is set. Now for memory, we can go directly to window buffer browsing. Like for storing the memory, you need something na? So you can store it in N8N memory. So you use Windows buffer memory. For that, here it is. Just click upper side. It will be connected. Now, what will be the tools? Tools can be anything like from Wikipedia to calculator to anything. So if you want to add calculator, calculator will be added here. Just do nothing, just click and add. Everything will be taken care of by the agent. Okay. Next, again, if you want to add another tool like Wikipedia or something, just go and search Wikipedia. You'll get over here, Wikipedia, you connect it. There's no API required for that. So you connect it. These are the tools. Okay, your agent is now ready. So once it is ready, you just have to like add what is in data manipulation. So it is ready now. We just need to connect it to chat. Wait a second. We'll just give a chat. Okay, we will ask, and whatever tools we have connected, it will ask from there and give us the result. Like, what is the capital of India? For that, wait a second. Over here. Now, what is the capital of India? Here we write in the chat input. Exit drawing. Come back to here. Question mark, and here is our chat model. So node executed successfully. And what are the things that are used? Whatever is used here, it will be given with a tick mark. Okay. So hide chat for a while and see this is it uses the OpenAI chat model for asking. It uses the buffer for memory, and it didn't use Wikipedia because it did not need that for now. So like that, if you ask some multiple questions, like again, like what is 25? What is 25, 23 into 25, 24? Let's see if it gives the output or not. Node executed successfully. It will give you the answer like 552. So what is used in this hide chat? We will see calculator is used. So in this way, we have built our agent which can calculate, which can give you any answer. You can ask anything. Uh, who is the all what is the tallest building in the world? In the world. So it will execute and see. Let's see it has given some output or not. Yeah, it has given, and it has used open chat GPT, and the answer is the tallest building is Burj Khalifa, Dubai, which stands at 828 meters. So see, our agent is working. You can see that. So that's it for today, guys. Okay, see you. And where is my recorder?